Want to add cool emojis to your app like this or this? Well, stay tuned. I'm going to show you just how to do that. All right, so what I did was I have my main. I basically removed all the emoji stuff. So just to test that out, you see I have my buttons here. Nothing's happening. So essentially in here, I have my material app, theme, data, homepage, go to the state, and so on and so forth. I get my widget, my scaffold, my app bar, emoji alert testing. In the body, I have a center with a column, and in the column, I have main axis alignment as center. And then I have my children widget, and I have 3 material buttons, all different colors, red, green, and purple. So the first thing we want to do is we want to go over to our friend PubDev, look up Emoji Alert 1.1. I'll leave that in the video description. So I'm going to copy and paste that. So obviously you can do it either way you want. And we're going to come over here to our terminal, and we're going to hit Command Paste and install our package. So that's step 1. Then in my on-press, I'm going to call the Emoji Alert package, and it should automatically install it, which I think it did. There you go. Emoji Alert package. And so then we're going to do .alert or display, I think it is. Display alert context. Okay. So the only thing you have to do here by default is you have to add the description. And the description can be any widget, but for this, we're going to add a column. And the column is going to be a text, and it's going to say, oh, look at this wonderful widget. And then I am going to hot reload that. Come over here, click. Oh, why isn't it working? What are our issues? We don't have any issues. What did I do incorrectly here? Oh, there it is. Oh, look at this wonderful widget. Sometimes it takes a little bit, huh? I'm gonna restart that again. So that's nice. So that's the default it comes with. But let's say we want something else. We want, a sad face, let's say. So let's go into Emoji 2. And we're gonna do Emoji Alert. And then I like to just add it at the beginning so that way I don't forget it. And then here, we're gonna add our description again. And we're gonna add another column and the children of that column. We're gonna say, let's get a text of why so sad. And just because this is annoying me, I'm going to add a const here to get rid of it. It doesn't want it there. And where it wants it right up here. Okay. And then same thing for here because I'm not gonna add anything else. And then here we're gonna say, I think it's emoji type, and you can select an emoji. I think it has to be caps. Emoji. Worked if I knew how to spell. And we're gonna say emoji. Oh, joyful. So instead of why so sad, let's change it to I'm so happy. And I'll take my caps lock off for a second there. All right, and then put our thing there. Okay, so I'm gonna hot refresh that. And now in the Emoji 2, I have my I'm so happy text alert. All right, let's do one more since these are just so easy and so much fun. Emoji alert, and we're gonna say display alert context. We'll put our semicolon at the end there. And then here we're gonna say emoji type, and it'll be emoji type dot. Let's do, oh, no, there is a sad one. All right, so let's do a description, and let's just put a text. Why so sad? Let's see how that comes out. And, oh, why so sad? Dun, dun, dun. And as you can see, they just, if you click on anywhere on the side, they just kind of go away. All right, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe. I'm trying to put out as much content as I can, especially about Flutter. This I thought was a really cool, simple app. Let me know if you like it. If you want something else, put in the description. If there's something you have trouble with, you want to go over, let me know, and we can go over it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a great day.